Backpack leaf blowers Makita EV7650TH review. High air volume, 670 CFM, and air speed, 200 miles per hour, for commercial duty performance. Powerful fuel efficient 75.6 cc's, 3.8 horsepower, MM4 registered trademark commercial duty engine. Mechanical automatic engine decompression for quick and easy start. Large capacity air filter is replaceable and easily accessible. Shoulder straps engineered with multiple adjustments for improved fit. Padded back panel is ventilated for improved operator comfort. Heavy-duty anti-vibration mounts between frame and engine for improved operator comfort. Tool-less handle adjustment for quick positioning of handle. Adjustable tube easily adjusts to desired length. Large grip positioned at optimum center of gravity for easier transport. Large capacity muffler ensures quieter operation. 76 dBA. Padded shoulder straps retain their shape for easier re-shouldering. Thank you for watching.